continue with number 3. Foods placed in a meat utensil. Food placed in a meat utensil. If the food is not boiled or broiled in a meat utensil, not, right? But merely placed while hot on a cold milled dish, or placed while cold on a hot meat dish, both Sephardic and Ashkenazi custom agree that it may be eaten with dairy. Okay. However, one should not initially place. One second. Should not initially place hot food on a meat plate, or the reverse. If it is to be eaten with dairy, or the reverse, since one may not initially cause nat bar nat. So, I mean, the big picture, just for us to realize, is the same. Initially, we should not plan it, right? But after the fact, we can rely on leniency. But let's read this example one more time and we explain. Food placed on a meat utensil. If food is not boiled or broiled in a meat utensil, not, but merely placed while hot on a cold meat dish, or placed while cold on a hot meat dish. Okay. Both Sephardic and Ashkenazi custom agree that it may be eaten with dairy. So that's not a problem. I guess not from this dish, but from another dish. Okay. That's the way I understand. So commentaries say, if however both the foods and dish are hot, it is equivalent to the cooking in a pot. Okay. So when one of them is cold, it's like we can apply this leniency. So what cold food is cold, or a plate is cold, and food is hot. Okay. So both Sephardic and Ashkenazi custom agree that it may be eaten with the dairy. Continue. However, one should not initially place hot food on a meat plate, okay, hot food on a meat plate, or the reverse. So and then I mean the continuation of this phrase. I mean, and then plan to eat it with the dairy, right? If it is eaten, it says no, sorry. If it is to be eaten with dairy, right? Since one may not initially cause nat bar nat. So initially don't do it. So even in this plate that was used in the last 24 hours. Of course, there is something got absorbed into the plate. Plate is cold, and your food is hot, or plate is hot and your food is cold. So after the fact, you can eat this food with the dairy. There is no problem. But if both of them hot, there is a problem. Right? That is a problem.